Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate that. So today we worked on finishing the two lights on the 6th floor in the electrical room and next door. I'm not sure what that room is called, but this is the electrical room right here. I was going to go off the beam, but I couldn't find anything to screw it to, so I just went to the ceiling. And then also on the room next door, I also went to the ceiling and then pulled the switch legs down and mounted boxes for those. And then after that, went ahead and worked on this pipe rack right here at the end of the day, mounting, drilling holes again in the ceiling, mounting the all threads, mounting the strut, and tightening that down to the right height. And that's pretty much about that. And then my coworker continued to work on that after I went down to work on problem down here on the 1st floor. Alright, so lastly I was working on the switch. It was not working. Light was basically stuck on all the time. As you can see now it works. I think the switch was just too tight. It's a pretty thin gap on this base plate, and I think it was just a little bit too tight, and it was kind of sucking the top plastic piece of this switch. Can't really see it, but kind of, I think there's a little flap over here, and I think it was sucked too tight, and it was just constantly stuck on and had no clickage ability at all. So I took it apart and then just took it off the faceplate, and it was working, or at least I could push it hard and it was working. So I took this whole piece off right here, this square, with the flat blade screwdriver, just popped it off and then put it back on, and then it was clicking nicely. And then just screw it back together tight, but not too tight, and then just put the cover back on, and then it works now. So, but either way, if that wasn't the problem, I know it could be wired wrong in the junction box or in the other junction box out there, or in possibly in the light, but I figured it'd be in one of these junction boxes, worst case. So anyways, glad it was an easy fix, and that'll do it for today's video. Alright everyone, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I also was working on moving stuff around for a while, moving material, panels and panel covers from the 4th floor up to the 5th floor. So that took maybe an hour, probably not 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. So just working on the lights, moving stuff, and then working on the pipe rack, and then fixing that switch at the end of the day. So that's what I worked on today, and confirmed I'm going fishing tomorrow. So if you guys aren't interested in that, then I will see you back on Friday for another work video. But I'm gonna go buy the fishing license right now, and then get reimbursed for that. So it'll be good times, and I wake up at the crack of dawn, because I think we're going 100 miles to go fishing somewhere. So I don't know about that. So assuming we're going carpooling or whatnot, and it'll be fun time, and I won't be working, so it'll be great. So anyways guys, see you guys back here tomorrow if you want to check out the video, or Friday for another work video. Anyways, that'll do it guys. Drop a like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys back here in the next video. And check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That'll do it for today's video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.